In the crisp, serene morning air of a village near Lhasa, the young monk Dawa rises before dawn. As the first rays of sunlight touch the tips of the distant mountains, he meditates. His heart is alight with a burning desire to study at the Grand Potala Palace. Dawa heard about a significant event at Potala Palace. He faced obstacles that tested his resolve. Each hardship was a trial of dedication. Undeterred, he pushed on, perceiving trials as affirmations of his commitment. With wide eyes, Dawa stands before the grandeur of Potala Palace. Voices of prayer blend with the crisp air. Dawa enters the majestic hall, his gaze in awe of the ornate surroundings. The renowned monk nods at Dawa, acknowledging the purity of his heart. The monk speaks, and Dawa absorbs every profound word, beginning his journey of enlightenment. As time moves on, Dawa gains great respect as a lama. His days are spent offering help and sharing wisdom, standing as a pillar of support to those in need. He conveys the profound wisdom of Buddhism. In the heart of Tibet, within the serene ambience of the Potala Palace, Dawa's story unfolds.